Hello, good morning everyone. Kushal from Krishna House of Silver, Jubilee Hills, road number 36. So today we are showing some unique silver deepams. These are all purity comes 92.5. So please have a look. We have nice collections. These are something trendy collections. These are all gifting purpose. It's look very nice collections we have. These are elephant, peacocks. These are something unique. We have collection in small deepams also. Once I'll share the location also. So Krishna House of Silver, Jubilee Hills Road number 36, Hyderabad. All over India, free shipping. So WhatsApp contact number is 630-900-9596. www.krishnapearls.com. Silver articles. You are purchasing in online also. So for more design, follow on Instagram. So have a look. We have. I'll show you something different Deepam also. This is something unique workmanship. If you can see the workmanship. Something a peacock design. I'll show you. You can see this is something embossing design. These are all Nakshi antique Nakshi work, and this is purity comes to 92.5. This we have nice collection in Deepam also.
गायत्री मैडम COD है क्या पूरा?
Yeah, COD also is available, ma'am.
गायत्री मैडम
Yeah, the COD also, cash on delivery also,
गुड मॉर्निंग मैडम
and we in all over India free shipping also, and COD also we have available in all over India.
इंटरनेशनल शिपिंग के लिए क्या
International shipping also is ready, but we are charging international shipping. So depend on price and products and everything. You can see this upper side, the peacock design, it's very beautiful. These are all handmade. And the depth also is, it's too high, and we can use for daily wear also. I'll show the height also. I'll putting in the down. If you can see the height also, I'll measure the height. This height approximately comes around 8 inches. The height comes around 8 inches. The pair, I'll show you the pair also. This is proper pair. Just have a look. The pair weight is approximately 460 grams pair weight. The approximately price also comes around 45 to 50,000.
सुरेखा मैडम प्राइस कितना पूछ?
Approximately 45 to 50,000. And the weight approximately comes around 460 to 470 grams. And we have more collection in the smaller Deepam also. Please share your contact number. The next I'll show you something a different peacock design. Please have a look. This is something different, something unique in shape. There's something, if you can see the workmanship. This is something different and unique. The peacock design, it's a very beautiful peacock design. These are all handmade. It's called antique Nakshi work. The purity will becomes 92.5. If you can see the workmanship in this peacock. The back side also is proper Nakshi work is there. can use for daily wear also. And see the upper side also is very beautiful design. I'll show you the pair, proper pair. This is pair. Once this is approximately, each single piece is 175 grams. Single piece. The pair will becomes around 350 grams pair. Approximately the price comes around 35 to 40,000. I'll show you the measurement also. If you can see the measurement, this is exactly the upper peacock side is comes around 6 inches. This is for gifting purpose and we can use for daily wear also. This is something unique design, we made it something unique. If you can see, this is something different, peacock design, small deeper. You have nice collection. Please comment on this, any which you like, please comment and please share your contact number. So we have something another something elephant deepam. It's called smaller lamp. This is something unique. Elephant legs. These are all antique work. Something unique piece also. This is, if you can see the upper side also.
Price.
Approximately the pair will become around 350 grams. Approximately price comes around 35 to 40,000. If you can see the workmanship, elephant workmanship, the backside also, it's very beautiful, totally handmade. Proper backside, eyes, nose, everything is perfect in this workmanship also. Backside also, flowering also is very beautiful. I'll show you the pair. It looks very nice. See, this is proper pairing. It's very beautiful. I'll show you the proper backside also. This is backside. Approximately the height will become approximately, this is 5 inches.
Varna madam price.
Approximately 45 to 50,000. We have smaller size also in this same pattern. We have more collection. Please share your contact number. You can see the backside also. This is perfect, the workmanship and everything. I'll show you the both. Purity will becomes 92.5 standard purity we are maintaining. So next one is, we have another in elephant deepam. I'll show you. I'll keep aside this one. This is something unique. This is pair. If you can see, this is something different. We have more design in something different collection we have. If you can see the workmanship also. It's upper side also, the peacock also very beautiful workmanship. Eyes, nose, everything is a perfect in peacock and elephant. And the base also, everything is a perfect in base, in workmanship also. You can see in base 3 legs are there, and elephants also. The legs are elephant legs. It's very beautiful piece. Proper antique Nakshi work is there. This is proper 3D Nakshi work. Purity 92.5. In this same we have in bigger size also, smaller size, medium size. We have 4 sizes on this same pattern. Please share your contact number. Our WhatsApp contact number is 630-900-9596. There's something different collections we have made it something different collections, and if you can see, this is proper pair. This is proper pair. Approx I'll share the height also. If you can see, this is proper 8.5 inches. Approximately height is comes around 8.5 inches. The single piece 250 grams, pair will becomes around 500. The price comes approximately 50,000. We have more collection in smaller deepam, bigger, and lamps also. There's something unique design. I'll show you some another design also. If you can see, there's something different shape, workmanship also something different. These are all flowering Nakshi work, antique Nakshi work. I'll show you. If you can see, this is so perfect and neat and clean. This is proper neat and clean. The purity will becomes 92.5 standard purity we are maintaining. If you can see the workmanship. Approximately the weight comes single piece is 200 grams, the pair 400 grams, approximately is 40 to 42,000 pair. You can see the workmanship. It's very beautiful workmanship, and the shape also something different shape. And we can see here also we have something design, slightly design also is there. It's very beautiful. The daily wear also is perfect for this deepam. It's very beautiful, something a different design. So approximately the height comes around, this is exactly 6 inches. If you can see, height comes to 6 inches, and we have smaller size also and bigger size also. We have sizes also in this same pattern. Very beautiful collection. Just have a look. It's very beautiful. You can see this is single deepam. Very beautiful. The shape also something different shape. The workmanship also is proper unique antique Nakshi work. Please share your contact number, sir. I'll show you smaller size also. Please share your contact number. And our WhatsApp contact number is 630-900-9596. I'll share you once location once again. Please. So our contact number, please share your contact. Krishna House of Silver, Jubilee Hills Road number 36. All over India, free shipping. And we are giving some nice complimentary boxes also. This approximately weight comes around 400 grams. Approximately price also 40 to 42,000. We are giving nice complimentary boxes also. This is proper box. If you can see, this logo and Krishna House of Silver. So in case you are taking for this bigger box, and we have nice boxes. Inside the butter paper is there. In case you select this Deepam, we are all over India, free shipping we are doing. This is proper. This is perfect packing. We are doing all over India, free shipping. This is perfect packing. And the COD also is available. I'll share you the location also. This is Krishna House of Silver, Jubilee Hills Road number 36, Hyderabad. Free shipping all over India. Our WhatsApp contact number is 630-900-9596. www.krishnapearls.com silver articles. For more design, follow on Instagram. Please follow in Instagram. We have more designs in Instagram also. And www.instagram.com. So please share which one you like. Please share your contact number. We are doing nice video call also. So please visit, and we are some timing also we have changing. So morning 9 to evening 5 o'clock.